Escape the 9-to-5 grind. Your dream lifestyle awaits. Are you tired of the daily grind? Do you dream of being your own boss? Imagine a life where you work from anywhere, set your own hours, and enjoy financial freedom. This lifestyle is within your reach with affiliate marketing. It's a business model that empowers you to earn passive income by promoting products you believe in. Affiliate marketing offers a path to escape the traditional 9-to-5 job. It allows you to break free from the limitations of a fixed schedule and location. Picture yourself working from a beach in Bali or a cozy cafe in Paris. With affiliate marketing, you can turn this dream into reality. Affiliate marketing, your ticket to freedom. Affiliate marketing is a simple concept. You partner with a company and promote their products or services. When someone makes a purchase through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. It's like being a virtual salesperson but without the pressure of cold calling or closing deals. Think of it as recommending products to a friend. When your friend buys the product based on your recommendation, you receive a thank you from the company in the form of a commission. This is the essence of affiliate marketing. You leverage your online presence and influence to drive sales and earn passive income. The digital age has made affiliate marketing more accessible than ever. With the rise of social media, blogs, and email marketing, there are countless ways to connect with potential customers and promote products. You can choose to focus on a niche you're passionate about, whether it's travel, fitness, or technology. Affiliate marketing offers a flexible and scalable business model. You can start small and gradually grow your income as you gain experience and build your audience. The more effort you put in, the more you can earn. It's a business that rewards hard work and creativity. A business for everyone, low cost, high reward. One of the most attractive aspects of affiliate marketing is its low startup cost. Unlike traditional businesses that require significant capital investment, affiliate marketing can be launched with minimal expenses. You don't need to create your own products, manage inventory, or handle customer service. Your primary investment will be your time and effort in learning the ropes and building your online presence. You'll need to choose a niche, research affiliate programs, and develop a strategy to promote your chosen products. Fortunately, there are countless free resources available online to guide you through this process. Affiliate marketing offers a high return on investment. As you build your audience and refine your marketing strategies, your earning potential can grow exponentially. Successful affiliate marketers can generate substantial passive income, allowing them to achieve financial freedom and live life on their own terms. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its scalability. You can start with a small budget and gradually scale up your efforts as your income grows. It's a business model that allows you to control your growth and tailor it to your individual goals and aspirations. Learn from the best success stories to inspire. Countless individuals have achieved remarkable success through affiliate marketing. Their stories serve as a testament to the power and potential of this business model. Take, for example, Michelle Schroeder-Gardner, founder of the personal finance blog Making Sense of Sense, who earns 6 figures monthly through affiliate marketing. Another inspiring example is John Lee Dumas, host of the popular podcast Entrepreneurs on Fire. John leverages his podcast to promote affiliate products, generating a substantial income stream. These success stories demonstrate that affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and fulfilling career path. The key takeaway from these success stories is that affiliate marketing is attainable for anyone with the right mindset and dedication. It's not about luck or special skills, it's about learning the ropes, implementing proven strategies, and consistently putting in the effort. These success stories should inspire you to pursue your affiliate marketing dreams. They prove that financial freedom and a fulfilling lifestyle are within your grasp. With hard work and persistence, you too can achieve remarkable results through affiliate marketing. Strategies for affiliate marketing success. While affiliate marketing is a simple concept, success requires a strategic approach. Here are some key strategies to maximize your earning potential. 1. Choose a niche. Focus on a specific area you're passionate about. This allows you to build a targeted audience and become an authority in your niche. 2. Research affiliate programs. Select programs that align with your niche and offer high-quality products or services. Consider commission rates, cookie durations, and brand reputation. 3. Build a strong online presence. Create a website or blog, establish social media profiles, and engage with your audience. Content marketing is crucial for driving traffic and building trust. 4. Promote products authentically. Provide honest reviews and valuable information to your audience. Focus on building relationships and recommending products you genuinely believe in. 5. Track your results. Analyze your marketing efforts to identify what's working and what needs improvement. Use analytics tools to track website traffic, conversions, and earnings. By implementing these strategies, you can increase your visibility, build credibility, and drive sales. Remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency and persistence are key to long-term success. Take control of your future. Start your affiliate journey today. Affiliate marketing offers a unique opportunity to break free from the traditional work model and design a lifestyle that aligns with your values and aspirations. It's a chance to be your own boss, set your own hours, and achieve financial independence. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its simplicity and accessibility. You don't need prior experience or a large budget to get started. All you need is the willingness to learn, the dedication to put in the effort, and the belief in your own potential. The time to take control of your future is now. Embrace the power of affiliate marketing and embark on a journey that can transform your life. With the right mindset, strategies, and support, you can achieve your financial goals and unlock the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. Stop dreaming and start doing. Join Infinity Affiliate today and unlock your dream lifestyle. Visit our website to get started and explore endless possibilities for growth, freedom, and fulfillment.